A function f is given by f of x maps to x divided by 2x minus 1. For what value of x is the function f undefined? This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. We want to find the value of x for which the function is undefined. If you have an expression of the form a divided by b, the expression is undefined when the denominator b is equal to 0. So here, this function will be undefined when the denominator, which is 2x minus 1, is equal to 0. So we are going to find the value of x for which 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. To get that, we will have to solve this equation for the value of x. We have 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. When we send 1 over to the right hand side, we are going to have 2x is equal to 1. To get x, we will divide both sides by 2. When we do that, we will have x is equal to 1 divided by 2. So this means that the denominator 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 when x is equal to 1 divided by 2. We have seen that the function becomes undefined when the denominator is equal to 0. It means that the value of x for which this function is undefined is 1 divided by 2. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is C.